Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to use this one a little bit more as the co-teacher, not just the introduction for today, because that's actually the purpose that it's originally intended as and that I was taught it as. You can see behind me our Do Now. I'm passing that out to you guys right now. It is a quiz that looks like this. It's for a Stellar Girls program. It's a lab that we're going to be doing in class. Ms. Wilder and I are going to be splitting you guys up. Notice in the directions, please use answer sheet to answer the following questions. Please do not write on these copies of the quiz. There's a class set. Every one of you is getting one of these answer sheets as well. Go ahead and put your student ID on there, your school, your teacher, whether it's me. Well, it's me. This is the pre-test, so you can check the box for pre, and you just mark A, B, C, or D for those 10 questions, and give you guys a chance to work on that. So those are getting passed out, and then I'm going to go over and I'm going to pause the video so you guys can complete the Do Now activity. Along with that Do Now, I want you to go ahead and turn in any homework you have if you didn't finish your CER, as well as this take-home quiz that you could use Quizlet to complete. If you didn't pick one up or you weren't here yesterday was Tuesday, so it's in our Tuesday pickup bin over there by the door. I know it's a long distance to look, but it definitely is over there. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this here now so you guys can finish up that Do Now, 10 questions, and get that turned in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and review the objective. Okay, stepping over here. I can use simulation to explain which is healthier, monoculture or biodiverse culture. You can see we already did the Do Now and turn in homework. We're gonna discuss those two different cultures using some PowerPoint notes. And then we're gonna do the simulation 2 times over and then do an analysis. So for the simulation, here's how that's gonna work. Everybody's gonna be handed out a card with a tree on it. We're gonna do it 2 times over because we're gonna look at a monoculture as well as a biodiverse culture. So the first time you're gonna get a tree, and then everybody is gonna get up, start walking around the room. You can use any of our appropriate hand-to-hand contact in class. So that would be a handshake, a fist bump, or a high five. No preference on which one you use. You're gonna write down the names of at least 4 of your peers that you interact with those handshakes, fist bumps, and high fives on the back of your tree card. So we'll have the timer set for that, and then you'll be going ahead and heading back to your seat. You will stand next to your seat rather than sitting down. And then I'm gonna come out and go ahead and give one of those hand-to-hand contacts with someone based on your preference. Might be a handshake, high five, or a fist bump. I'll go ahead and pick somebody, interact with them. And then what's gonna happen is that's gonna mean that you actually your tree got a disease. So then you will share the names of the people that also got that. They will take a seat, you will take a seat, people will start taking seats. We'll see how the disease affects the culture. Then we're gonna run it once more with a different set of trees. Same thing, high five, fist bump, or handshake. Write the names down on the back of the card. Interacting, disease passed on, and then we'll discuss how that's gonna affect it, looking at that biodiverse culture, and then we're gonna do our analysis at the end of which is better, biodiverse or monoculture. You're gonna be learning a lot today, so I hope you enjoy it. It is Wednesday, we are on shortened schedule, so we only have 45-minute periods, and I'm sure you guys are excited to get out a little early. I notice this is getting a little shaky, I apologize.